Are you looking for a new macrame wall hanging design? I absolutely love this double clove hitch arrow pattern. Today, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this wall hanging using that pattern. Let's jump right into it. Look in the description below for materials and cut lengths. You should have 18 cords that you have attached with the lark's head knot to your dowel, which is going to result in 36 strands hanging. So this is going to be done in groups of 12. And we're going to start with the center one. Go in 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And you have 12 here and you have 12 here. Pick the left one of those 12 cords, and using the 6 cords in that bundle, we're going to do diagonal clove hitches on the angle. If you need a tutorial on the double clove hitch, please see the link in my description below. Now with these 6, we're going to go from the right to the left on the same angle. Go back to the left side and do the exact same thing with the same 6 cords. Do another row right beneath. Do the exact same pattern with the 12 cords on the left and with the 12 cords on the right. Now you can see how we have arrow shapes. We're going to join this arrow together. Take the filler cord on the left, and we're going to use the filler cord on the right, and it's now going to become a working cord. Do a double half hitch. That will join them together, and then continue on the same angle. Now the filler cord from this row that we did use to wrap around these ones, we're now going to use this as a filler cord again and continue on to the left on the same angle. To continue, we're going to use the 6th cord in and do the exact same thing underneath. One more row and do the same thing on the other side. Now on this side, we're only going to do this piece here. And on this side, we're going to do the left part, but not the right. We're going to take this cord, and now we're going to join it with this middle section. This cord is going to stay as the filler cord, and this cord is going to wrap around that filler cord. Now we're tying the remainder 5 cords to complete this row. Do the same thing on the other side. And now just like the other ones, make them groups of 3. Then join these together at the bottom with a double clove hitch. With the 2 outside cords, we're going to make overhand knots. Tie them fairly close to the bottom of that top arrow. Same thing on the other side. Take your 1 meter length of rope, and we're essentially going to do a lark's head knot over this overhand knot. So take your cord, go over the top and into that little opening, pull, give it enough length because it's going to turn into part of the trim. Bring it from the back around the front, over that 1 length of cord, go around the back of the overhand knot and back up. Went around the back and up through that opening and then through that hole. Do the same thing on the other side, up through, around the back, around the front of just that cord, around the back, over and down through. Take your 65 centimeter lengths, fold them in half, and attach with the reverse lark's head knot. So you take the ends over the front of the cord, around the back, through the loop, and attach them all with the reverse lark's head. Now we're going to cut the fringe. I quite like the shape that this one has taken just as it is. I might touch it up a bit. The fringe below, I think I'm going to cut just like this. And this is the finished piece. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial today. I would love your feedback in the comments below. Please subscribe to my channel if you'd like more of my content. Happy macrameing!